Before anyone sees it on a store shelf, before it reaches a birthday party, before it even lands on a plate, a cake has already lived a journey that most people could never imagine. Behind towering steel doors lies a world few have ever seen. A world where science and artistry collide, where precision isn't optional, and where even the smallest mistake could ruin thousands of cakes in a single moment. This is not a kitchen. This is a factory unlike any other. A massive machine-driven symphony where every ingredient, every movement, and every second is calculated to perfection. Conveyor belts hum, robotic arms glide silently, and machines operate with such precision that they seem alive. A single grain of sugar, a single speck of flour, can make the difference between perfection and failure. And the most incredible part, you are about to witness it all. From the first egg cracked by an unerring machine, to the moment a cake reaches the store, every step is a story of science, art, and relentless precision. Before we dive deeper into this hidden universe, take a moment to subscribe. Hit the button now, because what you're about to see will change the way you look at every cake, and you won't want to miss a single second of it. The journey begins long before any batter touches a bowl. Every baker who enters this factory undergoes a transformation. They step into a zone that feels more like the sterile chambers of a spaceship than a bakery. Hands are washed with painstaking care, each motion dictated by a series of precise steps. Water temperature, soap, friction, all meticulously controlled. No shortcuts. Every particle of dust, every bacterium, every stray hair is eliminated. Once sanitized, they don gowns, gloves, masks, and hair coverings that ensure not a single fiber contaminates the ingredients. They pass through high-pressure air tunnels that remove microscopic particles clinging to clothing. Only when they meet these strict standards are they allowed further inside into the world where ingredients become magic. The ingredients themselves are astonishing. Flour arrives in towering silos, stored at precise humidity and temperature, ensuring it behaves exactly the same every day. Sugar is analyzed grain by grain, detecting impurities invisible to the human eye. Eggs are transported not by human hands, but by machines that can crack thousands per minute without a single shard of shell entering the mix. Watching these machines at work is hypnotic. Eggs flow like golden rivers into massive stainless steel bowls. Flour travels through sealed tubes, untouched by human hands, until it reaches enormous industrial mixers. These mixers combine ingredients at exact speeds, temperatures, and timings, ensuring a perfect, uniform batter every single time. The level of detail is astounding, and it's easy to see why even the slightest deviation could ruin everything. Every grain of sugar, every drop of liquid, every whisk of the mixer is part of a choreography designed to produce perfection. If this level of precision amazes you, hit the like button now. You're witnessing something truly extraordinary. A process most people will never imagine. Once the batter is ready, it begins a journey that transforms raw ingredients into a masterpiece. It flows through sealed pipes into molds, aligned like soldiers ready for inspection. Machines pour the batter with microsecond accuracy. Too much? Too little? Instantly corrected. Even microscopic air bubbles are removed by vibrating platforms, ensuring the texture is flawless. The batter then enters massive ovens, which are far from ordinary. These tunnels of heat are controlled by sophisticated computers that monitor every second. Temperature fluctuates minutely, timed perfectly for each stage of baking. Sensors track the rise of the cake, the formation of the crust, and the stabilization of the center. Moisture, color, and even aroma are measured, analyzed, and adjusted in real time. The result is cakes baked to absolute perfection, every single one identical in texture, color, and form. Once baked, robotic arms lift the fragile cakes onto cooling belts. Here, airflow is precisely controlled, cooling them slowly to prevent sinking or cracking. Cakes are then sliced with surgical precision into perfect layers. Each layer is identical. No crumbs lost, no imperfections, a feat impossible in any conventional kitchen. Every step is monitored, corrected, and recorded. Any deviation triggers automatic adjustments. Thousands of cakes can be processed simultaneously, each one tracked individually. It's a level of control that borders on the unbelievable, a perfect balance of art and science. If you've made it this far, don't look away. The next section reveals the most visually stunning part of the factory, the decoration and packaging, and it's a scene you won't want to miss. Now, the cakes enter the most visually mesmerizing stage of the factory. Robotic arms drizzle glazes in perfect sheets, pipe intricate decorations, and create patterns that would be impossible by hand. Lines, swirls, and dots fall with precision, programmed yet artistic. Each cake looks unique, yet all maintain perfect symmetry and flawless decoration. Glazes dry under controlled airflow, maintaining shine and texture. Cakes are then scanned and packaged with precision machines. Films are applied that preserve aroma and moisture. Thermal presses seal each package perfectly, and labels are printed with exact timing. Not a single human hand touches these cakes, yet every cake appears as if it were crafted in an artisan bakery. Imperfections are redirected for internal testing, never discarded, ensuring only flawless products reach stores. Pallets are stacked with robotic efficiency, wrapped for protection, and labeled for transport. Even the paths these pallets take through the warehouse are planned and monitored for maximum efficiency. The tension builds as the cakes prepare for their final journey. Every step, every machine, every hand, every sensor contributes to the final moment. You can feel it. The anticipation is tangible. Don't miss what happens next, because the delivery and arrival of these cakes is as precise and breathtaking as their creation. Finally, the cakes begin their last journey. Refrigerated trucks maintain perfect temperatures. Sensors monitor vibrations, humidity, and every movement. Routes are carefully calculated to avoid bumpy roads or sudden stops. Pallets glide into stores with mechanical grace. Staff follow precise instructions for display placement, ensuring every cake is perfectly presented. Lights highlight the glaze. The decorations remain pristine, and every product looks irresistible. From the first egg cracked to the moment a customer picks up a cake, every step has been orchestrated with scientific precision. Machines, humans, and systems work together in perfect harmony. The cakes that arrive on the shelves are not just baked. They are engineered, crafted, and perfected. Now it's your turn. Which part of this incredible process amazed you the most? The machines, the ovens, the decoration, or the flawless delivery? Share your thoughts in the comments below, debate with others, and let's uncover together which part of this cake journey fascinates everyone the most. Every cake is more than a dessert. It's a story of precision, science, and artistry. And now, after seeing this hidden world, you can appreciate the incredible journey behind each slice.